Hey, this is the Mathketeer, here to show you how to find equations for parallel and perpendicular lines when given a point and an equation. The steps for finding parallel and perpendicular lines are similar. Step 1 is to identify the slope of the given equation. Step 2 is to substitute the values of the given point and slope to find a new y-intercept. Step 3 is to write the equation. First, we're going to do parallel lines. I have 3 examples. Example number 1 is through point 42 parallel to y equals negative 3 over 4x minus 5. We need to identify the slope of this equation, which is negative 3 over 4. Once we identify the slope of the equation, we no longer need the equation. So what I like to do is organize my information and list all my givens. In this case, we have x equals 4, y equals 2, m, which is our slope, equals negative 3 over 4. And we do not know what our y-intercept, or b, is, but we can find it. So now we substitute all these values into the equation y equals mx plus b. Y equals 2, m equals negative 3 over 4, x equals 4, and we do not know what b is yet. So we multiply. 2 equals 3, negative 3 over 4 times 4 equals negative 12 over 4 plus b. And negative 12 over 4 equals negative 3. So 2 equals negative 3 plus b. Now to solve for b, we add 3 to both sides. And b equals 5. Now we have everything we need. We can write our equation, y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 5. For example 2, we go through point negative 1, positive 4, parallel to y equals negative 5x plus 2. Our slope here is negative 5. So again, we list our given information, x equals negative 1, y equals 4, our slope, which is m, equals negative 5, and we need to find the y-intercept. Again, we substitute it into our equation, y equals mx plus b. Y equals 4, m is negative 5 times negative 1 plus b. And now we have 4 equals negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5 plus b. We subtract 5 from both sides, and we have b equals negative 1. Now we can write our equation, y equals negative 5x minus 1. And example number 3, we are going through point negative 4, negative 1, parallel to y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. Our slope in this case is negative 1 over 2. So again, we list our given information. X equals negative 4, y equals negative 1, m, which is our slope, is negative 1 over 2, and we need to calculate our new y-intercept, or b. I always like to rewrite the equation, y equals mx plus b, and then substitute in our values. Negative 1 equals negative 1 over 2 times negative 4 plus b. Negative 1 equals, now negative 1/2 times negative 4 is positive 2 plus b. We subtract 2 from both sides, and we get b equals negative 3. Now we can write our equation, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 3. So when you're finding parallel lines, first you need to identify the slope of the given equation, then you no longer need that equation. Substitute the values of the given point and slope to find the y-intercept, and then write the equation with your new y-intercept. And now for perpendicular lines. To find the equation for a perpendicular line, we follow the same steps we did for that of a parallel line, except for step 1, where we need to find a new slope. And to find a new slope, we simply take the negative reciprocal of the slope on the given line. Then we substitute the values of our given point and slope to find a new y-intercept. We can then write the new equation. Example 1, Write a line perpendicular to y equals negative 3 over 2x minus 7, passing through point 36. First, we need to find the new slope. I like to write the slope down, negative 3 over 2. The negative reciprocal of negative 3 over 2 is positive 2 over 3. Now, similar to the procedures we followed for parallel lines, I list my givens. X equals 3, y equals 6, m, which is our new slope, equals 2 over 3. We want to find the new y-intercept. We substitute our values into the equation y equals mx plus b. We have 6 equals 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 plus b. We have 6 equals 2 over 3 times 3 is 2 plus b. We subtract 2 from both sides, and we have b equals 4. Now we can write our new equation. Y equals 2 over 3x plus 4. Example number 2, write a line perpendicular to y equals negative 2x plus 8 and passing through point 2, negative 6. Once again, I write down my existing slope, take the negative reciprocal. The negative reciprocal of negative 2 over 1 is positive 1 over 2. We list our given information. X equals 2, y equals negative 6. Our slope is 1/2. We want to find our new y-intercept. We substitute our values into the equation y equals mx plus b. Negative 6 equals 1/2 multiplied by 2 plus b. Negative 6 equals 1/2 multiplied by 2 is 1 plus b. We subtract 1 from each side, and we have b equals negative 7. Now we can write our new equation. Y equals 1/2 x minus 7. And example number 3, write a line perpendicular to y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 2, passing through point 2, 7. Right, our existing slope is negative 1 over 3. The negative reciprocal is 3 over 1, or just 3. So we list our given information. X equals 2, y equals 7. Our new slope is 3. We want to find the new y-intercept. We substitute our values into y equals mx plus b. We have 7 equals 3 times 2 plus b. 7 equals 6 plus b. We subtract 6 from both sides. And b equals 1. Now we can write our new equation. Y equals 3x plus 1. So the key here is to find the new slope by having a negative reciprocal. Make sure you organize your information before you substitute it into the equation, and you will be successful. I am the Mathketeer. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.